Did you know Rome's greatest orator chose death over compromise when he could have easily escaped? Marcus Tullius Cicero was the most powerful speaker in Roman politics, swaying senators and emperors with words alone. But in 43 BC, everything changed when Mark Antony formed the Second Triumvirate. Antony demanded one price for the political alliance: Cicero's name on the death list. Cicero faced an impossible choice: flee Rome and live in exile, or stay and face certain execution. As a devoted Stoic philosopher, he spent his final days preparing for death through meditation and writing. His servants begged him to hide, but he refused. When the assassins finally arrived, Cicero calmly extended his neck and spoke his last words about the futility of killing ideas. His philosophical preparation became the ultimate test of Stoic principles. That final choice to die with dignity rather than live in fear inspired resistance movements for centuries. Sometimes the greatest victory comes from how we face defeat.